This is my first video testimonial. So I'll just say I want to thank Andrei, honestly, from the bottom of my heart. If anybody knows me, I'm an extremely emotional guy, and I'll say a few nice things about Andrei. Extremely patient, really listens to us. Again, I'll give you guys some context. My wife is a very stickler. She's very hard to win over. So I'll say that. I'm easily excitable. So when it came down to this property and quick story was I was ready to go as always, and then my wife is very skeptical, and I just remember when Andrei grabbed her, went to the park, and he's like, Christy, I need to show you something. Showed her the park, and it was a perfect situation. Very nice family setting, beautiful park, newly built, only a couple of years old that we found out. And then I saw the look in Andrei's eyes, and he said, if you guys don't bid on this, my wife's gonna make me bid on this. For me, that meant a lot to me, meaning that it was, he saw something that I saw, and then he's trying to make my wife see what we were seeing. Basically, if you're looking to start a family, this was the home that we were looking to buy. So Andrei, thank you for your patience. Thank you for taking numerous months walking us through multiple properties. Some we lost, obviously, but I think, as you kept on saying, it's a blessing in disguise, and as the blessing in disguise came, we got the property that we were looking for. So thank you so much, and we're looking forward to working with you going forward.